Writing can be tough, or even very tough. But imagine a tool where you upload your own sources and generate essays from them.
Wow.
Surprised? Let me show you how Textero can do all that. Go to textero.io and click Login. Once logged in, here's the Textero dashboard. For basic info, click on your name and go to the Profile section. Here, you can update your password, change your plan, or cancel your subscription. On the right panel, you'll find all the available tools. The first category is writing tools, where you can use features like paraphrasing, summarizing, and more. To start writing an essay, click the Create a Document button. Then, fill in the details like selecting the language and providing a description. Once your essay is ready, you can easily edit it yourself or use the tools above the document. Additionally, you can check your text for AI or plagiarism. Just tap the button above or use the right panel to paste your text and get the results. You may also want to use your own sources for the text. No problem. Just go to the My Library section and add PDFs with just one click. When the text is ready, just save it. Here, you can see the credits you have in your plan. Need more? Okay, just go to your account and change your plan if needed. If you have any questions after this video, just use our support button. And if you know anyone who might like Textero, feel free to tell them about it. And remember, anyone can write like a pro, but with Textero, it's easier.